Welcome to Crack Post Exam channel, your one-stop solution for postal exam preparation. In today's video, we bring you 50 important MCQs on Government Savings Promotion Act 1873. Perfect for your upcoming LDCE and Inspector of Post exams. Stay tuned till the end, test your knowledge and boost your preparation. Let's get started. Question number 1. What is the primary objective of the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873? Option A. To provide loans through postal banks. Option B. To manage private investments in the stock market. Option C. To regulate and channel public savings into government savings schemes. Option D. To merge nationalized banks. And the answer is option C. To regulate and channel public savings into government savings schemes. Question number 2. When was the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873 dated as per the Act itself? Option A. January 28, 1873. Option B. August 1st, 1960. Option C. January 5th, 1873. Option D. Early 1972. And the answer is option A. January 28, 1873. Question number 3. To which geographical area does the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873 extend? Option A. Only Union Territories. Option B. All Indian states excluding Jammu and Kashmir. Option C. Whole of India including Sikkim. Option D. Only metropolitan cities. And the answer is option C. Whole of India including Sikkim. Question number 4. Under the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873, who authorizes an officer in a post office savings bank to be an authorized officer? Option A. Ministry of Finance. Option B. Reserve Bank of India. Option C. Director General Post. Option D. State Government. And the answer is option C. Director General Post. Question number 5. What is the minimum age for a minor to independently open and operate an account under a government savings scheme as per section 3B of the Act? Option A. 12 years. Option B. 18 years. Option C. 5 years. Option D. 10 years. And the answer is option D. 10 years. Question number 6. If a minor is nominated for a certificate under the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873, what special provisions should be made for smooth transfer? Option A. Nominate an adult instead. Option B. Appoint a person to receive the amount during the nominee's minority. Option C. Cancel the nomination immediately. Option D. Give specific bank instructions. And the answer is option B. Appoint a person to receive the amount during the nominee's minority. Question number 7. What happens if a nominee predeceases the depositor under the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873? Option A. The deposit goes to the bank reserve. Option B. The deposit is forfeited. Option C. The nomination becomes void. Option D. The nomination is automatically updated to the next legal heir. And the answer is option C. The nomination becomes void. Question number 8. Who makes a nomination if the depositor is of unsound mind according to the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873? Option A. Sibling. Option B. Spouse. Option C. Court-appointed guardian. Option D. A government officer. And the answer is option C. Court-appointed guardian. Question number 9. The Government Savings Bank Act 1873, Act number 5 of 1873, was originally enacted to amend the law related to what specific aspect? Option A. The establishment of new savings banks. Option B. The regulation of interest rates on deposits. Option C. The payment of deposits in government savings banks. Option D. The introduction of new savings schemes. And the answer is option C. The payment of deposits in government savings banks. Question number 10. Which specific provision of the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873 was omitted by the Finance Act 2018? Option A. Power to make rules. Option B. Definitions of terms. Option C. Short title and local extent. Option D. Act not to apply to deposits in Anchal Savings Bank. And the answer is option D. Act not to apply to deposits in Anchal Savings Bank. Question number 11. According to the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873, what does the term administrator mean? Option A. The Postmaster General. Option B. A nominee of the depositor. Option C. An auditor appointed by the government. Option D. An administrator as defined in Clause A of Section 2 of the Indian Succession Act 1925. And the answer is option D. An administrator is defined in Clause A of Section 2 of the Indian Succession Act 1925. Question number 12. In India, the government framed various savings schemes under the Government Savings Bank Act 1873, along with which other acts? Option A. Indian Companies Act 1956 and Banking Regulation Act 1949. Option B. Income Tax Act 1961 and Wealth Tax Act 1957. Option C. Government Savings Certificate Act 1959 and Public Provident Fund Act 1968. Option D. Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 and Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956. And the answer is option C. Government Savings Certificate Act 1959 and Public Provident Fund Act 1968. Question number 13. Which section of the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873 empowers the central government to make rules for carrying out the purposes of the Act? Option A. Section 12. Option B. Section 18. Option C. Section 15. Option D. Section 3A. And the answer is option C. Section 15. Question number 14. What is the consequence of opening or maintaining an account or making a deposit in contravention of the rules framed under the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873? Option A. Penalty has to be borne by the depositor. Option B. POSP account rate is payable. Option C. PPF account rate is payable. Option D. No interest is payable. And the answer is option D. No interest is payable. Question number 15. Under the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873, if the depositor suffers from physical infirmity, including blindness, how may they operate and make a deposit? Option A. Only through a court-appointed representative. Option B. Only through an employee working in the concerned post office. Option C. Only through a blood relative. Option D. Through any literate individual whom he authorizes. And the answer is option D. Through any literate individual whom he authorizes. Question number 16. Which type of account, as per the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873, has deposits that shall not be liable to attachment under any decree or order of any court, irrespective of any debt or liability incurred by the depositor? Option A. Post Office Savings Schemes. Option B. Time Deposit Scheme. Option C. Recurring Deposit Scheme. Option D. Public Provident Fund Scheme. And the answer is option D. Public Provident Fund Scheme. The Sukanya Samriddhi Account Rules 2014, under which interest and withdrawals are exempt from tax, were made under which Act? Option A. The Public Provident Fund Act 1968. Option B. The Government Savings Certificates Act 1959. Option C. The Government Savings Bank Act 1873. Option D. The Income Tax Act 1961. And the answer is option C. The Government Savings Bank Act 1873. Question number 18. According to the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873, if the amount of the deposit belongs to the estate of a deceased depositor doesn't exceed a prescribed limit, what action is taken regarding the fee chargeable under the Court Fee Act 1870? Option A. The amount is taxed at a higher rate. Option B. The fee is doubled. Option C. The amount is included in computing the fee. Option D. The amount shall be excluded in computing the fee. And the answer is option D. The amount shall be excluded in computing the fee. Question number 19. Section 16 of the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873 explicitly states the repeal of which two other significant acts? Option A. Indian Post Office Act 1898 and Postal Life Insurance Act 1888. Option B. The Government Savings Certificate Act 1959 and the Public Provident Fund Act 1968. Option C. The Indian Succession Act 1925 and the Court Fees Act 1870. Option D. The Finance Act 2018 and the Finance Act 2023. And the answer is option B. The Government Savings Certificate Act 1959 and the Public Provident Fund Act 1968. Question number 20. The central government has the power to frame new savings schemes or amend or discontinue existing ones and to include or omit or amend savings schemes in the schedule of the Act. This power is granted under which section of the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873? Option A. Section 6. Option B. Section 7A. Option C. Section 15. Option D. Section 3A. And the answer is option D. Section 3A. Question number 21. What does the term savings schemes primarily include as defined in the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873? Option A. Only post office savings account. Option B. Only long-term bonds and certificates. Option C. Government savings schemes including savings certificates and public provident fund scheme. Option D. Bank fixed deposits and mutual funds. And the answer is option C. Government savings schemes including savings certificates and public provident fund scheme. Question number 22. In the context of deceased depositor claims for savings certificates, under which two acts are these claims primarily settled? Option A. Indian Penal Code 1860 and Indian Majority Act 1875. Option B. Court Fees Act 1870 and Indian Succession Act 1925. Option C. Government Savings Bank Act 1873 and Government Savings Certificate Act 1959. Option D. Finance Act 2018 and Finance Act 2023. And the answer is option C. Government Savings Bank Act 1873 and Government Savings Certificate Act 1959. Question number 23. Which of the following savings schemes is listed as an existing savings scheme under the schedule of the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873? Option A. 10-year defense savings certificate. Option B. Indira Vikas Patras. Option C. PM Cares for Children Scheme 2021. Option D. 5-year cash certificates. And the answer is option C. PM Cares for Children Scheme 2021. Question number 24. Which section of the Act empowers the central government to frame new savings scheme or amend existing ones? Option A. Section 6. Option B. Section 7A. Option C. Section 15. Option D. Section 3A. And the answer is option D. Section 3A. Question number 25. If a depositor dies and there is no nomination, what is the time limit for producing a probate of will or succession certificate? Option A. 1 month. Option B. 3 months. Option C. 6 months. Option D. 12 months. And the answer is option B. 3 months. Question number 26. In the absence of a nomination or succession certificate, An authorized officer can pay the deposit to an entitled person up to what limit? Option A, fixed limit of 5,000 rupees. Option B, a limit of 1 lakh rupees. Option C, such limit as may be prescribed by the rules. Option D, there is no limit. And the answer is option C, such limit as may be prescribed by the rules. Question number 27. Under section 12, if a depositor becomes insane, to whom can the authorized officer make payments from the deposit? Option A, to any relative of the depositor. Option B, to the depositor's guardian. Option C, payments from the account are frozen. Option D, to a charity organizations. And the answer is option B, to the depositor's guardian. Question number 28. Section 12A allows a depositor with a physical infirmity, including blindness, to authorize whom to operate their account. Option A, only a family member. Option B, any literate individual. Option C, only the authorized officer. Option D, only a person approved by the bank. And the answer is option B, any literate individual. Question number 29. Which section was completely omitted by the Finance Act 2018? Option A, Section 4, Nomination. Option B, Section 14, Protection of action taken in good faith. Option C, Section 13, Payment of married women's deposits. Option D, Section 3, Definitions. And the answer is option C, Section 13, Payment of married women's deposits. Question number 30. What protection is granted to government officers under Section 14? Option A, protection against court fees. Option B, protection against attachment. Option C, protection of action taken in good faith. Option D, protection of a minor's deposit. And the answer is option C, protection of action taken in good faith. Question number 31. Which of the following is listed as a discontinued savings schemes in the Act schedule? Option A, Senior Citizen Savings Scheme. Option B, Post Office Savings Account. Option C, Indira Vikas Patras. Option D, National Savings Certificates BIII issue. And the answer is option C, Indira Vikas Patras. Question number 32. According to Section 14A, which scheme's balance is explicitly protected from attachment by any court, decree or order? Option A, Sukanya Samriddhi Account. Option B, National Savings Certificates. Option C, Public Provident Fund Scheme. Option D, Senior Citizen Savings Schemes. And the answer is option C, Public Provident Fund Scheme. Question number 33. Which section of the Act gives the central government the power to make rules for carrying out the purposes of the Act? Option A, Section 3A. Option B, Section 15. Option C, Section 16. Option D, Section 7A. And the answer is option B, Section 15. Question number 34. The rules made under Section 15 must be laid before option A, the President of India. Option B, the Supreme Court. Option C, the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. Option D, each House of Parliament. And the answer is option D, each House of Parliament. Question number 35. Which two acts were repealed by the Government Savings Promotion Amendment Act 2018 as per Section 16? Option A, the Government Savings Certificate Act 1959 and the Public Provident Fund Act 1968. Option B, the Indian Post Office Act 1898 and the PPF Act 1968. Option C, the Banking Regulation Act 1949 and the PPF Act 1968. Option C, the Indian Trust Act 1882 and the Government Savings Certificate Act 1959. And the answer is option A, the Government Savings Certificate Act 1959 and the Public Provident Fund Act 1968. Question number 36. What legal instrument is not required to claim a deposit within the prescribed limit if there is no nomination? Option A, probate of will. Option B, letters of administration. Option C, succession certificate. Option D, an affidavit from a local authority. And the answer is option D, an affidavit from a local authority. Question number 37. A depositor as defined in the Act is option A, a corporation or company. Option B, a trust or society. Option C, an individual. Option D, any legal entity. And the answer is option C, an individual. Question number 38. In which year was the Act short title changed from Government Savings Bank Act to Government Savings Promotion Act? Option A, 1959. Option B, 1985. Option C, 2018. Option D, 1873. And the answer is option C, 2018. Question number 39. Which of the following is not a power of the central government under Section 3A? Option A, frame new savings scheme. Option B, specify the rate of interest payable on deposits. Option C, amend or discontinue existing savings schemes. Option D, appoint judges to settle savings bank disputes. And the answer is option D, appoint judges to settle savings bank disputes. Question number 40. A person making a false statement under oath for the purposes of the Act is deemed guilty of an offence under which section of the IPC? Option A, Section 191. Option B, Section 193. Option C, Section 420. Option D, Section 182. And the answer is option B, Section 193. Question number 41. Which section empowers the central government to call for information and documents related to any account? Option A, Section 3A. Option B, Section 15. Option C, Section 7A. Option D, Section 14. And the answer is option C, Section 7A. Question number 42. Sukanya Samriddhi account is listed under which part of the schedule to the Act? Option A, discontinued savings schemes. Option B, proposed savings schemes. Option C, existing savings schemes. Option D, savings certificates. And the answer is option C, existing savings schemes. Question number 43. According to the definition in the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873, a minor is a person who has not attained the age of majority under which Act? Option A, Indian Penal Code 1860. Option B, Representation of the People Act 1951. Option C, Indian Majority Act 1875. Option D, Code of Civil Procedure 1908. And the answer is option C, Indian Majority Act 1875. Question number 44. As per Section 3B of the Act, what is the minimum age for a minor to open and operate an account in the Government Savings Bank if permitted by the scheme? Option A, 7 years. Option B, 10 years. Option C, 14 years. Option D, 18 years. And the answer is option B, 10 years. Question number 45. Who has the power to make rules under the Government Savings Promotion Act 1873? Option A, Ministry of Communication. Option B, Department of Post. Option C, Central Government. Option D, Reserve Bank of India. And the answer is option C, Central Government. Question number 46. Payment of deposits to a minor or their guardian is mentioned in which section of the state? Option is Section 6. Option B, Section 10. Option C, Section 12. Option D, Section 21. And the answer is option B, Section 10. Question number 47. What is the subject of Section 4 of the Act? Option A, payment to be discharged. Option B, nomination by depositor. Option C, definitions. Option D, power to make rules. And the answer is option B, nomination by depositor. Question number 48. Which section provides for the payment of deposits on the death of a depositor? Option A, Section 4. Option B, Section 4A. Option C, Section 5. Option D, Section 6. And the answer is option B, Section 4A. Question number 49. What does Section 5 of the Act states? Option A. Any payment made according to the Act shall be a full discharge from further liability. Option B. The definition of an authorized officer. Option C. How to make a deposit as a minor. Option D. Penalties for false statements. And the answer is option A. Any payment made according to the Act shall be a full discharge from further liability. Question number 50. Section 7A gives which body the power to call for information, documents and evidence related to any account? Option A. The State Government. Option B. The Reserve Bank of India. Option C. The Supreme Court. Option D. The Central Government. And the answer is option D. The Central Government. So friends, today we have covered 50 important MCQs on Government Savings Promotion Act 1873. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos. Till then, keep studying and stay motivated. Thank you.